something unexpected for you. A true revolution. So let's make some head turns. Let's make some space for the other guests. Please, ladies and gentlemen, join us here at the packet area. As you can see, 1 minute, 30 seconds before the revolution begins. And the revolution is extraordinary because it is a huge leap in plywood engineering. And I hope that you are ready. I hope that you will join us here. And I do hope that you will make the best of this incredible event that is ahead of us. So as you can see, 55 seconds. When we go to 10, I'm going to ask you to start the countdown with me, going from 10 to 0, and I hope that you will be with me in order to begin this afternoon with a blast that this revolution deserves. So, please do join us. All of you who are not here, who are still wandering around, do join us here. Believe me, it is definitely worth it. It's make some space for other guests who are going to be joining us here today. As I said, revolutionary, one of a kind, exceptional. These are the words that first come to my mind. 8, 7, 6,
5,
3,
2, 1.
0. Let's begin. Ladies and gentlemen, first of all, grab these bubbles because we are going to celebrate. The clock is struck 12, so it's noon already. So it's possible to get a drink, especially since, as I said before, we are going to celebrate. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Damian Urbańczyk, and it is my pleasure and it is my honor to welcome you to our target area for this incredible event. As I said, revolutionary, one of a kind, exceptional. Tom Ford, one of the greatest entrepreneurs of the 20th century, once said that coming together is the beginning. Staying together is progress, but working together is true success. And we are very happy that you joined us here today we do believe that you're going to stay with us. And the most important part is that we are sure that you are going to work with us because we have an incredible material to work with. As you can see, you gathered here to witness the unveiling, ladies and gentlemen, of Rock Climb. It looks small in my hands, but believe me, it is powerful. It is an extraordinary innovation in plywood engineering. So from this point, I'm going to ask you, all right, if you were to say what plywood would be considered the most durable right now, which would you say? Yes, of course, birch. But there is a new sheriff in town, ladies and gentlemen. So, if you multiply the strength by 2, twice, ladies and gentlemen, as strong as regular birch plywood. And this is just the beginning. You may know this, but Milton Friedman, one of the most popular economists, once said that business of business is business. But nowadays, business of business is sustainable, responsible business. And with exceptional strength, durability, and longevity, ladies and gentlemen, these form basis for cost savings and CO2 reduction. So, let's do some math. It's 2025. 14 days ago, we entered 2025. In 5 years, imagine this. Imagine, ladies and gentlemen, a truck floor made with rock climb. In 5 years, so until 2030, do you know how much you can save using only one truck in 5 years? I'm going to give you the answer. It's going to be easier. 5,000 euros, ladies and gentlemen. 5,000 euros, 5 years, and you can reduce nearly 375 kilos of carbon dioxide emission. So, it is a huge and strong player on the market. So, we have, well, savings, checked. Durability, checked. Sustainability, checked. What is also very important when you consider buying or using such materials? For you, come on, safety. Safety. This is of crucial importance, ladies and gentlemen. And just last Friday, we received the results of Rockfly fire reaction test. Pay attention because it is quite exceptional. I'm proud to share that it is qualified, easy qualified for the BFL S1 fire classification, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks to its advanced technology, it does not require any additional free retardant applications to achieve the standard. So, as you can see, this is a true revolution. And although it is only a beginning of our road together, it has been quite challenging, demanding, but satisfactory road for the creators of this project. So, ladies and gentlemen, right now, let's meet the team who is responsible. Like Alexander Dumas created 3 musketeers, one for all and all for one. Right now, I'm gonna introduce a group of distinguished speakers, ladies and gentlemen, and I would like you to welcome them with a huge round of applause. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Jarosław Michniuk, CEO of Paget Group. Join us here. Mr. Marek Janka, Vice President of Paget Plywood. And last but definitely not least, ladies and gentlemen, a huge round of applause for Dr. Ewelina Debczyńska, Director of Research and Development, Paget, and CEO of Paget Lab, the most advanced laboratory in the global wood industry. Ladies and gentlemen, do you know that there is a saying that if you want to predict, the best way to predict future is to create it. And I believe that you already did it. You created the future.
So let's look. It works. Thank you.
Yes.
I'm very happy that we have all of you here and you accepted our invitation. We are very proud and excited for today's presentation because we we are just introducing our newest product, the target rock. We started to work on that innovation solution more than 5 years ago. So it came not so easily as you may think today. So we knew from the beginning what we wanted to achieve, but we didn't know how to get there. So we had a good idea, but needed more than 100 different tests to check on different solutions. Finally, we came up with the product you see today, with superior properties. This work was not easy done. It required the work of many teams being together. But I will tell you that the characteristics of the rock stands for rock solid, robust. So this is a rock solid, robust material. It combines the natural strength of the rock fiber with the multi-layer wooden composition type of a product like plywood. The result is what was mentioned before, the strength of the product, which is double the value of the classical plywood you are very much familiar with. Nothing came by coincidence, nothing came by surprise, or it was not just a good luck. We started to work on that many years ago. 6 years ago, me and Evelina will set up the first real R&D team in the history of startup. And this team was taking the challenge and started to work on the rock plug and some other products. The work of this team, we always believed in the final success, but nevertheless, many people didn't. And a lot of people doubted. We never drifted away. We remain focused, unstopped, and sometimes even stubborn. With all of that paid off. And for this huge achievement, big thanks to Evelina and the team, but for all our employees. Just one closing remark. If you believe that innovation is just an R&D, is the biggest mistake. It's not. To make the transition from the producer producing a commodity product, mass type of products, into the kind of a system solution or solution provider, it's a long way and very often a very bumpy road. So therefore, innovation is not just R&D. Innovation requires a deep, tremendous change in the mindset of the whole organization. I believe that today, Target is really doing a big step towards our ultimate goal, which is being best in the class supplier, many solutions by customers. Thank you very much.
I have to say, very wise words, and as they say, wisdom is a daughter of experience. So these years of experience paid off. Thank you very much.
Thank you. I would like to mention only that LabTech will never exist, will never be established if we do not have such a visionary like Mr. Michniu. Thank you very much for that, because you created all those things. You find Evelina, you employed her, and together you made an extraordinary job. Thank you for that. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Marek Janka. I'm responsible for sales and marketing, as well as transformation of Target. I would like to tell you a few words about my experience. I started to work here in February 2024, so it's not a long time. But since that time, actually before I didn't know much about the plywood. I was surprised strongly how many different applications Target plywood might be used for. This is really interesting. Starting from the applications which are obvious for everybody, like the furniture industry, transportation, or I don't know, building industry, to less intuitive, like the transformer store or insulation for the gas tankers. I believe that we still didn't know, or we don't know still, how many new applications we will find out, especially with such a product like rockplate. I would like to use my list of the things which I would like to mention. First of all is that probably you know, maybe not, that the plywood as a product was created hundreds years ago, maybe in the ancient times. And since that, the product was still more and more innovative. The production technology everybody globally is using till today is or was created in 120 years ago. Since that time, the machinery, the production facility has improved significantly. They are more and more modern, more efficient, but the product itself was still almost the same till today. Today we celebrate introduction of the breakthrough patented plywood solution, plywood product, which we call rockplate, which is 2 times stronger and durable comparing to the counterparts. The product will not be able to exist without the support of Mr. Bzyk, Daniel Bzyk, who is the owner of the company, who is involved in the process of the creation of this product on the weekly or monthly basis, asking all of us the difficult questions. And he supported us and motivated to find the new and new solutions as well. I would like to ask you to imagine yourself the truck or the truck trailer which is using the rockplate, and because of that the weight of the truck is lower, even up to 250 or 300 kilograms at least. And this truck or the truck owner may load additional 250 kilograms more goods and transport it day after day and achieve additional remuneration for that. Save CO2 emission, save fuel, and achieve additional savings on those things. Or please imagine yourself the workers who are installing the scaffoldings for the whole day, and imagine yourself that the scaffoldings or the workers are using the rockplate, which is 2 times lighter, so they may install the scaffoldings during the day faster and with the less efforts. Or imagine yourself additional different applications. For example, the surface to keep, for example, the plywood after, I don't know, the stage platforms, which you can put somewhere or store somewhere with the space which is 2 times lower or 2 times smaller than comparing to the regular plywood. So ladies and gentlemen, today you don't need to imagine those solutions or those things. You just may use the rockplate. So thank you very much for coming today. I would like to hand over to Ewelina Debczyńska to say more about our product rockplate. Thank you.
Exceptional product.
Yes, hello, nice to see you, nice to meet you. I'm very proud that I'm part of this team, but my previous speaker talked almost everything about this product. My speech will be shorter, only to summarize what is the most important. We have in Paget a really strong team. It's a Paget LabTech, separate R&D department, which is responsible for this product. A lot of trials, thousands, I think, even more. We were really stubborn. Yes, we were sure that it's possible to change the world. This is always my dream, to change the world, not only on paper, not only in laboratory, but really to give something for people. It really has some significant properties. And this product looks like that. From this place, thank you for my team, for everybody. Also for Warsaw Universities of Science, which also support us in this project. Why I'm sure that this product is very important for the world? Because it can change the world. Durability, double, yes. Also very light product. From the beginning, we know that we have to make something that will have really improvement and really change something. Not only from these properties, but also many others. Yes, all those tests we have to make in laboratory. This is, I think, the most important that I have to mention. Thank you.
Thank you very much. I believe, well, I personally believe that plywood is one of the best materials ever to work with.
Yes, it is. Therefore, it was very difficult, yes, and to change it, yes, to tell people, yes, this is possible, yes, after 100 years, even longer time, there is some changes, but really small, yes, and after many trials, many facts, not good results, yes, people will suffer, and we do it, yes, and together, it's also for me, very important day. I'm really proud that I was part of this team, or even head of this team, yes. You cannot imagine, yes. In laboratory, I have 10 people, yes. In technology department, there is 30 people. All those people were involved every day, or it was.
To be quite frank, when I first read about I was absolutely gobsmacked. I was flabbergasted because I believe it's a huge revolution in this word. Revolution, and this is what I absolutely love in these words, is there is no place for modesty here, because it is basically self-awareness and a bit of boasting, but totally justified, because this product may revolutionize your world.
Yes, not only in transport industry, but also in building, construction, in military, in many applications. And I even cannot imagine what we can do now if we have in our hand those kind of products.
I mentioned before that to be innovative means that you are able to implement innovation in a real life. Without you, without customers, we will do nothing. So we just present to you the product, which is exceptional. It's not just the same, it's true. So now we need your help. You need to convince yourself that you got something very exceptional. So together we can build on that product, but we need to develop the market together. So we need you. Come across to our booth, please, and see it for yourself what we can do with the product. So I would like just to encourage you
We're going to be encouraging you all the time, encouraging you to join us on our stand to learn more. Thank you very much. We do appreciate your being here. If you have any questions, they will later answer them all. But there is so much more to plywood. There is so much more to this product than simply this, because there is also construction. Thank you. Okay, before we move forward, I'm going to ask you one question. If you think about creating success, what is more important in order to achieve success? Is it talent or diligence? Diligence being hard work. What would you choose? If you opt for talent as the most important in achieving success, raise your hand. Okay, I need to rephrase. Who knows how to raise his or her hand? Okay, that explains a lot. Okay, once again, let's begin. Who is going to vote for talent as the most important feature in achieving success? 3, 4, 5. Okay. Who goes with hard work? Ooh, busy bees. Okay, but one of my favorite playwriters, George Bernard Shaw, when he was asked the question, he answered also with a question. What is more important for a bike? A front or a back wheel? They're both of similar importance, but I would also add the things you mentioned. Working together, cooperation. Because there is this very famous African proverb that if you want to travel fast, travel on your own. But if you want to get further, travel in a group. And soon, we will introduce you to a member of our sales team. But before that, ladies and gentlemen, as you might have witnessed, the power of Rockply and stepped together into a new era of plywood, but this is only the beginning, dear friends. This is only the beginning. And Baguette innovation never stops. So, we are here at BAU, which is the world's largest construction experts. So this is also the best venue to present, explore the world of construction. So a world of safety, precision, durability, and resistance, ladies and gentlemen. So please do stay with us for the next few minutes. You will discover some of our latest innovations launched in the past few months. After the short video, we will introduce you to our members of our sales team in order to create a group that will go very, very far. So, let's dive in.
At Baguette, innovation means over 100 years of experience in plywood production. Combining nature's best materials with cutting-edge technology, we create plywood solutions designed for the most demanding construction projects and with a sustainable approach. Safer and greener. But our expertise doesn't stop at construction projects. At Baguette, we also deliver premium solutions for interiors, combining functionality with exceptional design. Innovation, expertise, and sustainability. Baguette sets the standard for construction excellence. Meet our experts, ready to innovate and build a future with you.
Dear guests, dear ladies and gentlemen, as you innovation, strength, sustainability, three words that should define our work and are defining them from the get-go, from the beginning. What I need to mention is, for example, the product is so certified, ladies and gentlemen, fire resistant, with DryGuard FR and ThickPly FR. Waterproof, we saw it also in the video, with MoldGuard, DryGuard FR and DesignPly. Mold and fungi resistant, MoldGuard. And what is also of crucial importance, strong and beautiful, because the aesthetic aspect is also very important. All right, this is definitely, truly something worth experiencing and exploring. So we've brought together our team of Baguette experts to help you prepare and offer tailored to your most demanding requirements. So now I would like to quickly introduce them to you so you can recognize their faces in the crowd. So Baguette sales team, please join me. Who is from Baguette? Join me, the sales team. Shy, I know shy, but you are the faces of this project. Yes, people will be. Yes, join us here, join us here. As you can hear, a strong group, smiling and proud. So, get familiar with those faces. As you met the three faces responsible for introducing this incredible product, this is the team that will offer you a tailored offer, cater to your needs. Ladies and gentlemen, get familiar with those faces, and right now, I'm going to hand the floor over to you. Thank you for being here with us. Join them here, join us in our area, ask questions, and make the world a better place, a more comfortable place, a more sustainable place. Enjoy your time with Baguette. A huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. All right, ladies and gentlemen, please do join them, ask questions, enter the area. Feel free to explore the world of Baguette. I can see people moving. Don't be shy. Here is a place where you will learn all the answers.
Heute habe ich ein bisschen Sales-Team dabei. Deswegen machen wir jetzt erst